In the time of Nemluku, Ihitenansa ascended the throne and struggled to have a child. A seer took him to the spirit world, where four spirits instructed him to perform different sacrifices in various places, at road, in water, in the wind, and under the sun. After completing these sacrifices, his two wives became pregnant and gave birth to sons on the same day. The tragedy struck when the first son's mother, Akama's mother, died during the labor after sacrificing herself for the continuation of the family. The king was overcome with grief and named the second son Nansa. And later the first son was brought to the king, and he named him Akama. The maiden who attended to the birth informed the king that Akama was Diokpara'S first son. As time passed, Ihitenansa and the other wives gave birth to more sons, namely Akama, Nansa, Umudiaba, Ogum, Ogugwenyo, Umudim, Amadiaba, Uhuala, Amokpara, Asa. After Ihitenansa's death, Nansa's mother plotted to kill Akama, but a loyal maiden warned him, and he fled to his maternal home in Oga. There he grew up in exile, surviving by picking palm nuts from palm trees. Meanwhile, Nansa pretended to be the Diokpara, causing tensions in the kingdom. The kingdom faced calamity, and the people began to die due to Nansa's actions. Eventually, Umudim, Uhuala, and Ogugwenyo consulted a seer who advised them to bring Akama back as the rightful Diokpara. They secretly went to Oga and begged Akama to return. However, upon his return, he was treated poorly due to his status as an orphan. The situation escalated into a serious conflict, and the Asa stood up for Akama, revealing that he was indeed the first son. Despite this, Nansa refused to acknowledge Akama's authority, leading to ongoing problems in the kingdom. After Akama took an oath, his brothers eventually accepted him as their leader. But Nansa refused to submit, persisted. This legend highlights the complexity of the family dynamics, power struggles, and the importance of traditions in Igbo culture. The story of Akama and Nansa serves as a reminder of the consequences of ambitions and the importance of respecting tradition and the family ties.